The NodePay Season 2 airdrop, as well as the allocation information for the Jupiter airdrop Season 2. So without wasting your time, we jump straight onto the laptop. First thing first is this free airdrop to go on. As we see here, so underfarmed, 15,000 people only. I just joined, I'm the last in this, 15,000 people. It is this one, is the Liqfinity, and it is an AI airdrop, and it is going to be huge. Now, what do you gotta do for this one? Well, simply collect points. All you gotta do, through the link down below, you will find the first link in the description. You will be landing over here. Simply sign up, and then you will receive some token. For example, I got 1 Bitcoin, 1 Ethereum, 1 Litecoin. This is all in a testnet, so there's no, as we see here, this is a testnet platform, so there is no risk, no nothing. So what you do once you simply sign up here? Well, you get points by borrowing and providing liquidity. So simply come to borrow, and utilizing one of the assets which we have, which it is Litecoin, which I already tested out. Then we have Ethereum and Bitcoin. We borrow the USDT token with the Bitcoin that we have as a testnet. So click on borrow, click on confirm. Easy peasy. We go here. Okay, great, got it, and we are good to go. So now we got the USDC. We can do the same with the Ethereum, which we do have right here, and we go and confirm it. Now, this is the important part. Now we have the USDT token, and this is how we get our points. Once we go here, we go and lock the USDT token that we do receive it. And as we see, I will put in everything so that part a few cents. And this is what we received from the Ethereum as well as the Bitcoin value. And we go and lock them all, and we keep them locked. Here is a total value locked, and I have the share of the pool, which it is 1%. And this is the total value lock, of course, in the possibility of a super easy, free testnet opportunity. And come back here on a daily basis, and that is it. By providing you liquidity, you lock the USDT, you receive points, you unlock it at any time, and then you earn rewards, earn hourly rewards in USDT based on your share of the TVL. This keeps on reinvesting it and reinvesting it and reinvesting it. You can claim the rewards accumulated hourly are sent automatically to USDT wallet in the dashboard each hours. This will make sure that you are part of the leaderboard. As we see here, I'm already scaling the leaderboard with the borrow points and the liquidity points, which is absolutely great. Scale the leaderboards and then provide liquidity again and again and again and again. Keep on providing liquidity. Do this on a daily. But of course, over on my Patreon, everything, there is a full detailed guide about this. Patreon link down below. Make sure to go and join if you wish. $4.99. I will take you daily videos of it. The next one is another airdrop, which we do have the full guide over on my Patreon, is Unich, and it is this one right here. And it is a tap to earn. All you gotta do is simply visit the link down below, and simply every 24 hours click on tap. These are your earnings scaled to the leaderboard. Once again, this is an airdrop, just like Plaza Finance, which we've seen previously, and also like Liqfinity over here, that you need to be active on a daily basis. So now the testnet are rewarding daily users. Simply click over here, got it, and you're good to go, as well as having the follow the Unich on Twitter, which you can go and do right here. You can go and do the Discord and all the others to get yourself points, which I will go and do, and simply go through here. Very, very simple, very, very easy. Make sure to go and do it. It's as easy as it gets. And another easy to earn future airdrop is this one, as the SoSoValue. So the important thing right here, the link will be down below, is to reach to V1. V1 is where you will receive the airdrop, and all you gotta do for that is utilize it on a daily basis and also have it over here. So receive the XP tokens. And as we see, we got daily check-ins, we got daily rows, watch some YouTube videos, share over on Twitter, verify the transaction, quote them over on Twitter, verify it, as you see, done, got my points, reply, verify this, done, got my points. Super, super easy. And then we got other transaction. Now, I did connect this one with my wallet. The full detailed guide for this will be over on my Patreon. So also for the free member, come and join my Patreon. The full guide will be for the paid Patreon members, but it is extremely easy. Simply connect to Google, install the mobile app if you wish, follow them on Twitter, as we see over here. Simply go over to Twitter, connect it as well. First, connect your Twitter over here, which you will join. Join the Telegram community, follow them, which it is simple as this. So you follow them, 270,000 people. Then over to the Telegram, go and join them over on Telegram, which we do have it over here. Click on General, click on Join, and then say hi. Simple as that. And once you've done this, simply go back over here to the page which we were talking about. You can verify after 50 seconds. So give the 50 seconds. And then you're good to go. Come here on a daily, do the transaction on a daily, get the check-in on a daily, and then this is basically a page where you can see the whole, which is really nice. Like, this page is actually really nice. We got the whole market evaluation, we got the reds, the green, we got some really nice thing, the 1 year return, the monthly return, all of them good things, which we see also over here how everything is. We got the market, the news feed as well, which we have a nice share of newsfeed. Boston Fed President interest rate cuts in 2025 will be smaller than expected. Grok iOS, we got the indicates over here, how everything is going. We got the token bar, which gives you more updates, more news. It's actually a really nice platform with the analysis, the fear and greed, the total Bitcoin spot. So it's actually nice to use, and I will use this on a daily basis because it is nice to just evaluate everything. And as we see over here, if you click over on the experience, it will have the airdrop coming in very soon, and you will be able to go and get it, verify, collect your points, simple as that. Join this one, collect your point, simple as that, and keep on doing these missions that come out on a daily basis. So these 3 airdrop, Liqify, Unich, and SoSoValue are very important for you to go and join because they are important and they are free to earn. So there's nothing to lose. All is free to earn, all is easy to go and do, and I don't see why you wouldn't do it. So make sure to do it. But of course, over on my Patreon, if you want to have a full detailed guide and more information about it. Next up, we have a very important update, and it's the Lanka airdrop. Now, we know that with Lanka, if you click over here to rewards, you will be redirected to Concerno. Now, I finished mine, and you have only 5 days, or no, you have 2 or 1 day left to go and do it. And it is the OG challenge. Now, this is a title that in 2 days, it will be out of the market. If you have it, you have it. If you do not have it, you do not have it. And OG people will receive a benefits on the airdrop allocation, which the team has already announced there will be in 2025. And by getting this, it is very important. With as well a 10,000 points bonus, which will go to your total bonus, which we have over here. And I am position 101. As well as the other protocol. So make sure to go and do it. Make sure to do the swaps. Go over to Lanka. The best swap that I've done so far is Ethereum from Arbitrum chain over to the base chain. Of course, you're entitled to do whichever you want, but this is the thing that I've done. So simply click over here, go to Arbitrum, select the token, and then, for example, Ethereum, and then go over to you receive over on base, Ethereum, get the token, get it. It's very important. And this is going to be a huge airdrop, better in my opinion than many other breaches which we've seen in the future, which is in the past, and this in the future, it's going to be really nice. And next up, we have the NodePay airdrop. Now, if you go over here, we have the final airdrop checker is live. Click on check airdrop button to see your allocation, which it is right here. And now in the premises of how many tokens I have, when we talked about, and I sent them a DM personally on Twitter, hoping they would see it, the season 2 airdrop allocation, which we do have it over here, the earnings, as you see, I have season 2 way more points than the season 1 and the season 0, as you see here. I got 25% more points. Yet, what do you think is the airdrop allocation? If we click over to check airdrop, I got approximately 4 or 64 tokens only for this airdrop. So the season 0 and season 1, great. I do appreciate it. I do believe that the season 1 and the season 0 and 1 are the most important one because those are where the actual users came into play. The real people, not everybody hyping up for an airdrop because of the season 0, the season 1s. Then they announced the airdrop, and then the season 2 people came in and they wanted to grab a piece of the cake. And I get it. I think it is respectful, and I think it is correct for them to give smaller allocation for the season 2 total points accumulated than for the season 0 and 1. But giving 64 points compared to 1,900 points, which I received in season 0 and season 1, with more points, getting like a 1% total, I think is a bit too much. I think they could have made it way more. They could have, made the community way happier with the season 2 airdrop. Yet, I think they messed up on this one. Now, talking about it, will the price decrease? Will the price increase? Well, on Whales Market, whether you want to see the pre-market allocation of a token, it is going to be whatever it is. I do think it is still going to be huge. I think that they have learned from Grass airdrop. They have learned from many other airdrops, and they will do well. I just wanted them to have a bigger allocation for this season 2 because, yes, people joined NodePay after they heard the news about the airdrop coming in Q1 2025, but this was a very, very small amount of token compared. I wish they can change it. I wish they will change it, but make sure to check your allocation over here. Now season 0, 1, and 2 is finalized. You can go and let me know in the comments as well what is your total allocation for this airdrop, which it is really, really important. Following up, we have the airdrop checker also for the Allstake protocol over here. Professional validator of the POS cryptocurrency who help token holders gain profit via non-custodial stacking. If you were a Dymension staker, I believe, as we see here, Dymension staker, paste your address here and check, no need to connect the wallet. If you are eligible, let me know in the comments below. I am personally not eligible for this one, nor I ever participate in the Dymension airdrop, nor in the Dymension token. You can go and put, if you want, any wallet, just to go and put your EVM wallet, or for example your Dymension wallet from the Kepler wallet, is up to you, but the link will be down below. Following up, I also want to talk about the season 2 airdrop, which we do have over here. The Jupiter 2 checker is coming next week, and this is what the community had to say. I will make you play the video. This is what the owner of Jupiter had to say about the total, the checker, the allocation. The allocation is there. The allocation is already sorted. The checker will come in a couple of weeks, and this is the video as we see here.
All the people asking when checker and so on should be coming next week. That is the current intention. Hopefully before next Wednesday. We're trying hard. There are a bunch of changes being made. I'll tell you right now. So there's changes into the way that the tiers are being designed. There's some changes in terms of the allocation. There's some special bonuses we're cooking up, because the bottom line is always the same, right? We want to grow the pie. We want to bring more users into the Jupiterverse, hopefully make them stake.
So the allocation is completely changing, is growing. There's a few different things. So potentially what we've seen before, the amount of volume, the amount of swaps and volume, not volumes, it's changing, but it is coming, as we see here, before next week, probably around Wednesday. So keep an eye open. There is no claiming as of right now. Don't fall for anything online, but it is important and it is coming. Another nice airdrop which we do have over here is the public mainnet. OG traders are welcome. So if you did participate in the Crypto Valley Exchange in the CVEX airdrop, at the beginning, when we talked about it before, testnet, very early users like me, as we see here, I had the possibility to go and participate in this. Now, this is the new simple trading platform. We got the pro trading as well. We got the simple trading. And this is for the very early beginner and the users just like myself. So make sure to go and check it. You can go and play around a bit. You can go and place some orders, as we see here. I got an order on Ethereum. You can do an order on Bitcoin and BNB as well. I believe these are the one, and also all the others. So make sure to go. Potentially could give you another bigger allocation of the pie for the future, for the initial airdrop, which it is really, really nice. Otherwise, simply go and interact with them, help the team, help the community, check out how they're doing, because it is a nice little piece of the airdrop. But with that said, guys, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you all in tomorrow's video. Ciao, guys.